Wherever you operate, you're going to need some kind of approval or to at very least understand the regulatory environment that you're operating in, and that's where Hover's drone approvals and regulatory services come into it. We can help you get set up with everything you need from a licensing point of view to be able to operate safely and legally. So when we talk about your ability to operate in Australia, we often define it as Australia-wide, where you'll be able to choose where you operate within a set of conditions, or what we call an area approval, where CASA or another regulator will actually tell you what area you're approved to conduct a specific operation in.
For me, advanced approvals changes consistently. We always need for our clients to be looking ahead. They need to, work out how they're going to save money in their own operation, or, how can they expand their operation. So we always try to be that one step ahead with our advanced approvals.
Some advanced approvals that we look at is operations that are Sale 3, large RPA operations, beyond visual line of sight operations in multiple different areas, all operated from the same remote operations centre.
Whether you're a small or large organisation, you may have a need for ongoing support in the form of consultancy from Hover UAV. That can look anything like contracting us for a few hours a month just to ask questions as they come up when you just don't know the answers, or bringing us in to help you design a policy for how you approach uncrewed operations from top to bottom.